So yeah, guys, long story short, we are in a model number 3 / FOMO candle of death hybrid long at the moment. Very, very good order flow, very good volume. We have very obvious targets at hand. Should be able to pump to that. We based high resting above. A lot of things going for us right now. I'm doing nothing but just simply following my system and rules, guys. Okay, I'm not going to do anything emotionally. I'm not doing anything outside of the system. So at the moment, am I moving my stop loss? No, not quite. Because again, I want to see solid body closures on these 5-minute candles before I start trying my stop loss up, guys. So I want to see those solid body closures here above this old high. All right. 10 a.m. bottom wick. We opened on the hourly, created the FOMO candle of death, and then we got our entry. So yeah, just want to see a closure here above this 5-minute down candle, guys, and then I'm going to look to scale in. Okay. And when I say scale in, I just mean add a few more contracts on my main account. All right, guys, I scaled in one more contract there on my live account. So yeah, just want to make this position count, ride out the volume that is validating my idea. So I scaled in one more there, guys. And yeah, just gonna hold everything to the highs resting above, like I kind of been explaining. So yeah, just scaled in more contracts there, and yeah, gonna leave it at that. I can't. If we close super solid on this 5-minute candle, guys, I will be trying my stop loss in half. Alrighty, well, we just closed on that 5-minute. Well, I already told you guys 3 minutes prior that I added in another contract, but we did just get a nice solid body 5-minute closure there. So move my stop up just below this 2-minute gap. Just want to still give it some room here, but also adjust as new structures presented. Resistance at midnight open. Yes. Well, we better barrel through that if it's going to hit my target. I'm not closing nothing. Call me crazy, guys. It's not happening. Follow your system, man. That should be your only intent coming into the market. Just follow your rules. You don't have to chase price. You don't have to chase shiny objects. Follow them. Everything else falls in line. Just got another 5-minute close. Stop loss is reduced by 50% based on structure. Anyway, guys, extremely good volume here. I will be out fully on my TraderVid accounts above previous daily high here, guys, okay? I will be holding contracts and runners on my live account, okay? Alrighty, guys, we're in John Cena. Yeah, we're in John Cena territory, so yeah. I'll be all out here. I'll take a partial on my live account, but again, I'm going to be holding about 40% of my position for as long as I can for the day until trend dies out. All right, hold on. Here she is. Act like we never left. See that? All right, guys, I am holding runners on my live account. So let me put my executions on real quick. Right now, we're absolutely pumping to this old July 27th day. So what I'm going to do now, take 2 contracts off, pay myself because that was my primary target for the day. And now my next sights are going to be set on this 4-hour gap above us. And the reason for me holding this trade so strong like this, very simply because volume is a large factor today and it's in my favor. So if I'm in at a really good discount, which I was today, right, I don't want to cut myself short. I want to get in here and I want to make this count as much as I possibly can. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to trail my stop loss just above my second scale and entry here. All right, guys, so very, very simple techniques. And what I did live in front of my entire community today and preached to them is really the most important part of actual trade management, and that's making your winners win and keeping your losers small. People always say this, but they don't really just like explain to you live time how to do this or actually have the data and like experience to be able to implement this live time with money on the line. So as you can see, I'm in here on my live account, of course. I bought into my position. I bought in more. I got out at my full target. What did I manually close? No, I let it run to my full target, period. I'm not taking any profits until it hits my full target. And that's exactly what I did here today. A lot of people, they can, it's funny because, right, they always let their trades run to their full stop loss, right? But why is it that they can never hold it to the full take profit? And the answer is fear. So if you put fear to the side and you hold your trade idea to the full target, that's step number 1 to successfully making your winner win. Step number 2 is adding in to your position when volume and order flow is validating your trade idea. You always want to do this, especially and mostly when you're inside of a trend market profile. We are already inside of an established bull trend heading into today. So that is already giving me indication I can implement these techniques successfully. But as you can see here today, I showed you guys on stream in that recording, once we got a nice solid high volume push through my down candle level I was using, that is when I added into the position with positive feedback and then adjusted my stop loss. Number 3, and also very, very important, is leaving a runner on just in case. Nobody knows for sure how far the NASDAQ is going to keep running before it creates a reversal and then runs back up, or whatever the case is. Nobody knows that. However, you can hold on a runner just in case it does run even more. As you can see, I got out at 200 plus points here. However, I'm now up an additional 100 plus points from this 200 points just by simply letting a runner hold on just in case. So when you kind of put all this together and actually implement it into your trading, and again, just leaving fear to the side, you implement this inside of clear trend markets, that is going to be the sole foundation of your profit in the long run. Don't even take my word for it. Find out for yourself. It is not about being right every single time, okay? Ego will tell you that, but it's just simply not true. It is not about being right. It's about letting your winners win when you are on the right side of the market and keeping your losing days small by not revenge trading and things of that nature. I hope you guys enjoyed this one, man. Very simple and straight to the point, but very effective if you implement this in your trading. God bless you all and your families. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.